is opposite letter, or end pairs. Now, first let's understand what is the meaning of end pair. Why they are called end pairs? If you write A, B, C, D like this, if you see it carefully, A is at first position from starting, Z is at first position from end. From their respective end, they are at same position. A first, Z first, B second, Y second, C third, X third, D fourth, W. From their extreme ends. Yes, from their extreme ends, their respective ends. A from starting, Z from end. B from starting, Y from end. C from starting, X from end. D from starting, W from end. Getting it? Yes. ठीक है? So they are called end pairs. How to write end pairs? A to M, and below M you will start from M. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Below M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T till Z. So you will get what? End pairs. A, Z, end pair, V, Y, end pair, C, X, end pair, D, W, end pair, and so on. They all are end pairs. Now again, I'm going to tell you one trick. A1, there is no need to memorize them. I will tell you one story. Just wait for it. Before that, see. Again, a kind of jadoo. A1, Z26, sum is 27. B2, Y25, sum is 27. C3, X24, sum is 27. D4, W23, their sum is again 27. E5, V22, their sum is again 27. Always sum is 27. Always sum is 27. Same as the backward position number. Same as the backward position number. Clear with it? Clear, students? Their sum is also 27. Game of 27. Backward position number, opposite pair. 27, 27, 27. Now I am going to tell you one more trick. Now how to memorize the end pairs. So every time, are you going to find out 27 minus this? So end pair is this. Are you going to do like this? You want to waste your time? No, we don't want to waste our time. Yes, so we will learn one more trick, one simple story. Let's start with the story. Okay, A, B, let's write it with me. First, you have to write it like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. After M, you will start with M, N only. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I'm going to tell you a story of a boy, Azad. Now there is a boy, Azad. Azad is a boy. Story of Azad we are going to listen now. Azad is a boy after eating cracks and drinking dew. Whenever you are going outside, you are going for like any party, you are going somewhere for outing, what your mama says? Mama always says, eat and drink first, then you can go outside. Yes or no? Mama always says like this. Yes, na? Mama always says like this: first eat and drink, then you can go outside. So same Azad mama says. Azad is a boy, first eat and drink. So Azad eat cracks and drinking dew. Advik, your mama never says this thing. Manya, your mama no says this thing. No, sometimes. Okay. Chalo, we will assume mama is saying this thing. Mama is saying eat first, drink your milk, then you can go outside. So what Azad mama saying? But Azad, he is a Azad boy, na? He can eat cracks or dew. Okay? Chalo, now listen this. Azad is a boy after eating cracks and drinking dew. Yes, Tejasvi. In the evening, for fun, he went to a hill station. By GT Road. Grand Trunk Road, GT Road. Okay, Manya. So Azad is a boy after eating cracks and drinking dew in the evening for fun by GT Road. He went to a hill station. When he reached the hill station, he find at hill station there is only one convenience, that is railways. He can't use his car. He can't use auto. He can't use any other thing. There is only one thing, that is Indian Railways. So he used Indian Railways and went to jungle. At hill station, he used Indian rails and went to jungle to see jungly queen king prince show. Their famous show in jungle, jungly queen. There is a jungly queen king prince. So their show is very famous. So he went there by Indian Railways. He went to jungle by Indian Railways to see Jungly Queen King Prince show. The show was really very awesome, and he is like laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. He was very happy, very excited. He said, I'm going to share my mobile number. I want to speak with you. Okay. So this is a very short story of a boy who went for an outing. Getting it? Story. Are you able to memorize the things? A. Azad. B. Boy. C. Cracks. D. Dew. E. Evening. F. Fun. G. GT Road. H. Hill Station. I. R. Indian Railways. Jungly Queen. J. Q. Keep. KP. King Prince. L. O. Laugh out loud. Last is mobile number. Very simple and easy, very easy to memorize the end pairs.